Hello and welcome to this short snippet video with me, Adam Rose. In this video we're going to have a look at the Solid Body Sweep tool. Within SolidWorks we can choose to cut a design with a normal sweep, or we can go ahead and create a solid body and create the cut with that. It allows us to use a body in the place of a profile and create entirely different geometry. And that's what I'm going to do with this example. I've already got my path created, and I'm going to create the profile that will create the body for this particular tool. Okay, so there's the basic shape. I'm just going to add in some relationships here to hold it in place. Okay, so there's the profile created. I'm going to go ahead and create a revolve from that. Within this, it's important to turn off merge results because the body and the path need to be different objects. Okay, so now let's look at some of the rules that we need to apply when creating our solid body sweep. We need to make sure that the profile will be restricted by particular rules when we're creating it. We need to make sure it's convex for one. The body has to be created from analytical geometry, which is your standard sketch geometry like lines and arcs. The body must be either a cylindrical extrude or a revolve feature. As for the path, it needs to be tangent and it needs to be continuous, and it needs to begin at some point on or within the tool body. Okay, so having taken that into account, we can now go ahead and create the cut from this solid body. I'll choose the normal swept cut tool. You'll see that within the swept cut we get two options, a profile sweep or a solid sweep. You'll also be reminded for the settings for this sweep just here. So I'm going to choose my profile, I'll choose my path. Now it does take quite a while to rebuild on a feature like this. It can take a couple of seconds. It's sometimes a good idea to make sure the preview's turned off on that. So to finish off this design, I'm going to go ahead and create a straightforward circular pattern. Within this design, it often takes a long time to rebuild when we're creating it for a circular pattern as well. One thing we can do is just turn on geometry pattern. It will just take exact copies of the geometry rather than the feature itself. And there we have our milling tool created. And you can see the geometry that's been designed with this is different to what we would have got if we'd just used the profile on its own. Thanks very much for watching.